Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an app with Thunkable. Thunkable is a fantastic no-code platform that empowers anyone to build mobile applications without writing a single line of code. It's designed to be intuitive, allowing you to bring your app ideas to life quickly. You can create functional apps for both Android and iOS devices, reaching a wide audience with your creations. Let's dive into the process. Once you're in the Thunkable interface, the first step is to design your app's user interface. You'll use a simple drag-and-drop system to place components like buttons, text inputs, and images onto your screen. You can easily customize each component's properties, such as its color, size, and font, to match your vision. Arrange these elements within various layout containers to ensure a polished and professional look for your application. After designing the visual elements, it's time to add the interactive logic that makes your app functional. Thunkable uses a block-based programming system, similar to a puzzle, where you connect different blocks to define actions. For example, you might connect a button-click event block to an open screen action block. This intuitive method allows you to implement complex behaviors and data handling without needing traditional coding knowledge. With your design and logic in place, the next crucial step is testing your app. You can instantly preview your creation on your own mobile device using the Thunkable Live Companion app, seeing changes in real time. Once satisfied, you can download your app as an installable file for Android or iOS. Finally, you are ready to publish your completed application to major app stores, sharing it with millions of potential users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.